Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So today I will be making one of my absolute favorite green juices. It is perfect for beginners. It's great for digestion and bloating and inflammation as well. Super affordable, and it actually tastes really good. So for today's recipe, all of the ingredients that you see here literally only cost me $5. We're using kale, English cucumber, pineapple, and ginger. So I went ahead and washed and cleaned my kale. I have some pineapple left over from some that I had as a snack. So this is about half of a pineapple that we're using today. And then I'll use the whole English cucumber and then a little bit of ginger, just so you guys can kind of see. Now I do have to just lightly chop up the kale. I don't want to put it in whole since it is a leafy green. We don't want to have any issues with clogging or anything getting stuck inside of the juicer. So we're just going to chop it a little bit just to help our juicer out. I know for most people, when they think of green juice, they think of a juice that tastes like grass or a juice that pretty much isn't that good. So this is one of those recipes that you can actually get down without gagging or feeling sick. I promise you it is really good. The kale, it can be somewhat bitter, but we're going in with a little bit of the English cucumber and the pineapple to balance out that bitterness. I feel like cucumber is perfect for adding in when you are making green juices, just to balance out sometimes the bitterness or the tartness of the different flavors. And then the pineapple, if you want a little bit of sweetness, you can use pineapple or apple. Like I said before, I prefer to use pineapple just because of my apple intolerance, but what you use is totally up to you. And then of course we gotta have some ginger, not only for its benefits, but because I personally love ginger, I have to have some spice in the mix. Now the kale is all prepped and ready to go, so let's go ahead and get into juicing. We are going to use the layering method today. You want to go in first with your leafy greens. So when it comes to juicing leafy greens, the juicer that you have definitely makes a huge difference. I'm using my Nama J2 today. I have had this juicer for 4 years, going on 5 now, and I absolutely love it. I cannot rave about it enough. I literally am able to juice leafy greens and everything else with ease, as you guys have seen here on my channel, and you cannot get a higher yield from your ingredients. I mean, this juicer is absolutely amazing, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. It's so easy to use. The juice yield is actually insane, as you will see today. But we're gonna go ahead and layer our ingredients, starting with the leafy greens, and then we're gonna add on a little bit harder ingredients. So I'm gonna add some of our pineapple on top since it's a little bit more ripe. And then I'm going to go on top of that and add in some of our cucumber. And of course, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. You guys know that I love to get a really nice blend of the ingredients. So I love layering and adding everything in together just to get a good blend of those flavors within the juice. And then we're gonna start out with about this much ginger. This green juice is one of my absolute favorites because each ingredient really serves a purpose. Kale is a great way to get those leafy greens in, and it supports overall nutrition, while pineapple adds a little bit of natural sweetness and also helps to balance the bitterness from the kale. Cucumber keeps everything light and it is super hydrating, so I love to throw that in to add a little bit of extra hydration to my juices. I also like adding in a little bit of ginger, which also helps support digestion and really just makes the juice feel really soothing on the tummy, as well as giving you those anti-inflammatory benefits. Overall, with all of these ingredients factored into the juice, this is a perfect beginner-friendly green juice recipe. It's very simple, affordable, and you can actually enjoy drinking it. Sometimes leafy greens like to hang out in the hopper. An easy fix is by using the pusher that comes with your juicer. Just gently guide the greens down. Using this keeps everything moving without interrupting the juicing process. Now our juicer is all done. So of course we have to get in our taste test. Look at this beautiful dark green color. And it smells so good. This is one of those juices that I absolutely love to pair with like a salad or a sandwich for lunch. It just goes so well and it makes me feel like I have my life together. And as always, we have to pick our juicer up, turn it on the side. As you can see, it completely filled up, so we still have some more juice in there. Make sure we get every drop. And take a look at our pulp. It is extremely dry. I'm definitely going to turn this into some greens powder, so stay tuned for that because I'll probably make that into like a YouTube short or something. But yeah, look at our pulp. Like nothing, no liquid coming out, very dry. Another reason why I love the Nama J2. And this strainer it's like magic. Look at what it was able to catch and prevent from being in our juice. Let's go ahead and bottle this juice up and give it a taste. Cheers! So good. This is why I always suggest adding in a little bit of fruit and English cucumber or even regular cucumber when you are juicing leafy greens. It balances out the bitterness so well. That juice is so smooth, it's so refreshing, so good. This is perfect for beginners, I promise you. Even if you don't like the taste of kale regularly, you will love this juice. So definitely give it a try. And as you can see, we did get a pretty good yield today with our Nama J2. One of the many reasons I was telling you guys that I absolutely love it. The strainer, the large hopper, the large pitcher set, even these glasses, everything you see here came from Nama. And if you are interested in getting your hands on a J2 or any of the accessories so that you can customize your J2, you can use my code Darian10 to get $60 off a J2 or 10% off site-wide. So if you have your eyes on this picture set, because I get lots of questions about it, this came from Nama and you can use that code to get 10% off. So go ahead and snag one. I know you want to. And grab some of these glass bottles while you are at it. They are perfect for freezing your juice. They are a thicker glass, so I feel like that holds up a lot better. I use these and I use the mason jars. They are perfect if you want to store your juice. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely hope that you give this recipe a try, especially if you are not really a big green juice fan. This is a pretty good one to start out with. Let me know down in the comments what juice recipes you would like to see me do next. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.